This is a video about the Precious Metal Verifier Pro and how to work with numismatic cases. Numismatic cases are a little bit problematic because they're very thick and it's very hard to see what's going on inside. So we're going to show you what you can get out of the readings and what you have to worry about. I've got two silver eagles here. One's out of a case and one's in a numismatic package. I'll put the non-packaged one on there. This is one that has very high resistivity, but when I measure the dimensions, it says round, and it will measure correctly for dimensions. And if I look at the dimension number on the screen, it's 40.5 millimeters. All right, so in this case, with a numismatic case, you really can't measure. They don't even show you the rim, so you can't even check the reading of the coin. You can't really see how what the edge looks like or how big it is. However, if we put this under here, we can learn some things about it. You always put the smoother side down. We can learn some things about it. First of all, it's clearly in the green for silver. Now, so that's probably tells us that it's not copper right off the bat, but let's assume it was over in the yellow like that other one. But look at the diameter. The diameter is 40.7. It's basically right on the correct diameter, so it's the correct thickness. So what we know about this, we know this is real now because it was in the green for silver, but if it weren't in the green, if it were in the yellow like that previous one, we would know that it's the correct thickness, and the diameter would have to be correct. So if it's a fake, it would have to be very good. Now, these cases can be weighted in all kinds of different ways. All these have different weights, and you can't tell the weight of the coin. So you have a liability with these that we can't fix unless you take the coin out of the package. So in cases where it's a lot of money and it's an expensive sample, you're going to have to pull it out of the case if you want to measure it. But you can learn a lot. On a sample like this, it's only worth 20 or 30 bucks. You can probably learn enough so that you can say, oh yes, it is silver and it's the right thickness. That tells you a lot about the coin. So it's a judgment call, but the cases do limit the amount of information you can get. And that's how you work with the numismatic cases.